Hello, my name is Monster Sterling and welcome back to my YouTube channel again. Today I'm going to do a review on kettlebells. I got this in the mail just now and it's a plastic kettlebell. I never really used plastic kettlebell before. I don't know how much they're going to hold up. So I'm just going to do a quick review and tell you what I think about these plastic kettlebells. The kettlebell that I use is normally steel or metal. So this is what it look like right here. And it's like a hard plastic. I never used it before. I guess this is the stand that the weight goes on. Yeah, so I guess is this right here is like a screw. I guess you could use this screw on to hold the your kettlebells on it. I mean, this is my first time doing this, so I don't think this is working. Well, anyway, so that's what it looked like right there. This other one is like a double handle kettlebell. So that's what it looked like. I'm gonna do a video of me using it. Before I recommend this kettlebell right here, I'm gonna use it for a month first. Then if it's a good thing, if it doesn't break on me, then I'll recommend it for you to buy it. For right now, I'm just doing like a unboxing of this video. I'm doing an unboxing of this kettlebell right here, just to see how it is. It's like everything is plastic. Look at a few weights right here. Give me a minute. Okay, so I don't see any instructions or anything like that. Well, anyway, I'm gonna try it and put it together, see how it works. Yes. And these are 5 pounds. So I guess you put this on, I'm thinking. Okay. I think that's the way it goes. And these two are, I think it's 2 kettlebell, I'm thinking. Well, anyway, let me just try it out real quick. If it breaks, don't laugh at me. I'm just put this to the side. So, I guess it could hold like 4 10-pound plates, maybe 4 or 5. I'm gonna put some more on it, but before I'm just gonna demonstrate real quick to see if it holds up good. Okay, I'm trying not to hit the cameraman, so just bear with me for a minute. So that's good right there. I'm gonna put some more on it. Put some more weights on it. Put like 2 more 10 plates on it. Give me a minute. Okay. The rubber seems pretty sturdy for some reason. I'm surprised, because like normally when I buy anything from Amazon, well, not only from Amazon, like when I buy like cheap stuff, it's like they got this like cheap plastic that breaks so easily. So I'm surprised this had like a stiff rubber plastic. I don't know how you say it. Well, let me try it. This is like 40 pounds. I don't want it to fly off and hit my camera, man. So it's gonna. Okay, so it's holding up, but I'm still not going to recommend this to you yet. I'm going to put the description in. I'm going to put the link in the description so you can go and check it out. But from what I've seen, is like the plastic is like real stiff and tough, and this, I don't know if you can see it, is real solid, it seems like. But I'm not going to recommend this yet. I'm going to try it for a month. Then if it doesn't break, then I'll recommend it. So I'm going to put it in the link below. You can go and check it out. But this, I'm not going to recommend it until give me about a month. I'm going to use it for about a month, couple of months. And if it doesn't break, then I'm going to recommend it. But right now, I'm not going to recommend nothing to you guys that I haven't tried yet. So it's in the link. Go ahead and check it out. If you guys want to buy it, but I'm not recommending this yet. Thanks for watching my video, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you very much.